Hey Keith, it's great to hear from you. This is how I tie a freestyle bow tie. Once it's oriented, I make one side longer. This side, I'm gonna go over this side and around and up to make a knot. So over, then under, and then I'm gonna start pulling to make a knot. And once this knot is set, it's pretty much set for the day. Unlike a traditional necktie, once you tie a bow tie, it's pretty much set it and forget it for the day. Now, if you look at this part, it makes an hourglass. Our goal is to make that bow out of it, and we're going to turn it sideways. So I just take it like that and make the semblance of the bow part with the narrow part in the middle. And then this tag part goes over. And now I use my fingers to grab each side of the bow. There's a loop here and a flap here. And I pull them together for a moment. And I pull away. That makes a loop back here. I got to put my finger through it to find the loop because I'm pulling tight to show you the example. But if I let loose, that loop will loosen up a little bit right there. Now I take this end of the bow tie and I put my thumb right about here. I'm going to push through, making a loop with my thumb through that opening. So I'm making a loop behind the front loop. Now I can bring the flaps out, and I have to use my finger to go through and kind of get this loop opened. And once you have the basics, you can put a finger in each loop. You'll need to do a little twisting and adjusting from time to time, but I put my finger in the front loop and in the back loop, and then you can practice by, pulling on the tags and pulling on the loops to make it the way you want it to look. Again, a freestyle bow tie is supposed to look hand-tied. That's the classy part of it. If it were perfect, it would be a pre-made bow tie. So, needs a little adjustment. It's hard to see in the actual small camera video screen. But there you have it, a basically tied freestyle bow tie. It's basically like tying your laces for a single knot shoelace, but it's just strange the fact that it's already around your neck. And to prove that, this is how it's undone. Grab one of the tags, and that's it. Now I just have a knot around my neck. That's it. I look like I just got out of the Oscars. I'm at the Oscars after party. Hopefully, maybe the Emmys after party. So anyway, there you have it, Keith. I hope you're well. Bye-bye.